Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 51.5-inch console table, Boho console table that this man sent to me for the video. It's kind of like a rustic one, I want to say, like a vintage Boho. It has some rattan, so it is kind of like a farmhouse style, I want to say, more than a modern one. Or you can mix the styles for sure. You don't have to just go with one. It is 51.5 inches by 31 inches tall, and about I want to say it's not super wide, super wide, but it's wide enough to put, for example, your sunglasses, your keys, some books, decorations, some things that you can put kind of like not underneath, actually behind your couch as a decoration, or right here in the entrance of your house, or to put up the keys or your cell phone, things that you have and need in within easy reach. And that's my cat Minnie getting on camera. So I'm gonna actually show it to you on a closer look, but the bottom line is that the assembly process of this one's not gonna take you more than 30 minutes tops with power tool. 30 minutes. It is actually quite easy. It comes with the 3 drawers that has the outer stop, of course, one right here, the other one right here, and this one supports 55 pounds on the top and 24 pounds on the bottom shelf. So as I was telling you before, it could be a really nice one for decorations like this one, and you put your cell phone there, your keys, things that you need every day and you need in within easy reach. You have the bottom shelf right there, and you're not gonna have any kind of like rubber pad on the bottoms of the legs, so you may add some if you want, just to kind of like take care of your wooden floor if you have one. And then with this wooden handles over here and the rattan accents, you have the drawers over there for the storage purposes. Both of them, the 3 of them, are actually quite smooth and really nice. Of course, instruction manual, everything is going to be explained right here. But also, if you want, you can attach the whole thing to the wall, which I think it is a good thing in case that you don't want it to be super kind of like flimsy or something like that. I like it. I think this one could be really good for, again, the entrance of your house or a decoration in your living room with the rattan accents. 51.5 inches by 31, wide enough, 55 pounds and 24 pounds on the bottom. Farmhouse style or rattan or boho, you name it, you're covered with this one.